Good morning, all of you. Now, today we are going to continue soil and we will discuss about the soil types. So, during the weathering of rocks, sand and clay are produced. Weathering, all of you know it very well, it is a process of conversion of rocks into sand and clay by the help of wind and water. So, soil is categorized depending upon the amount of sand and clay present in it. Three types of soils are there on this basis: sandy soil, clayey soil, and loamy soil. So, first is sandy soil. Sandy soil contains a large proportion of big sand particles and a very small amount of smaller clay particles. That means the sand particles are there, which is big one, and so there is less air space, large air space between them. Because these bigger size particles are loosely packed, having large air space between them. So this type of soil does not hold water. It lets the water percolate or drain out easily. So the soil dries out soon after the rain and plants are deprived of water. And the other disadvantage of this soil is that this soil gets blown away easily when it gets dry. So the properties of this soil are: it is well aerated and light, that means there is a large air space between the particles, and it is light in weight. It is easy to plow, that means खेती करना इस तरह के सॉइल में इजी होता है. And it cannot hold water and dries up quickly. Second is clayey soil. This type of soil has greater proportion of very fine clay particles. Here sand are less and clay are more, having large amount of clay particles, and it is small in size. The particles are tightly packed and have very little space between them. So the fine particles are packed more closely. So water clings to this type of soil and does not pass through easily. So it has very less air due to tight packaging of air particles, and it has very good water retention capacity and is heavy as it holds more water. Because of less air space, it can hold water. The water cannot pass through it easily and water remain in it. Third, it can be easily kneaded to make a ball similar to flour dough. जिस तरह से हम लोग आटा को गूंथते हैं उस तरह से इस क्लेई सॉइल को गूंदना आसान होता है. It is difficult to plow and drainage is usually bad. It clings to the feet in wet weather. पैर में ये स्टिक हो जाता है because of water holding capacity. And the disadvantages of this type of soil is that there is not enough space between the particles for air, which deprives root of air, especially when it rains a lot and the soil gets waterlogged. Waterlogging can occur in this type of soil. So it is heavy and difficult to plow. And when it dries, it becomes really hard. The third one is loamy soil. This type of soil contains sand, silt, and clay in well balanced proportion. That means right amount of sand, silt, and clay are present in this type of soil. Silt is deposited by the rivers on the plains when they flow down from hills, and the size of the silt particles lies between sand and clay particles. Loamy soil also has a high humus content. Humus means the dead part of plants and animals, which becomes light and remain in the soil and increase the fertility of the soil. So it is amongst the most fertile soils. Any crop can be grown in it. It warms up quickly in spring and rarely dries out in summer. So the properties of this type of soil are: it has the right air and water holding capacity for the growth of plants. It is easy to plow and it can hold the nutrients required for the growth of plants. So that it means that the best soil for growth of plant is loamy soil. Soil and crops. We know that different types of crops are grown in different parts of India because of different type of soil. In different region there are different types of soil. Hence the crops grown there are different. In some areas we find some type of crops, and in other areas we find other type of crops. So it depends on the type of the soil. You can see here in clay soil the crop grown or trees grown are paddy and wheat. Paddy means rice. Rice and wheat can be grown in clay soil. Then loamy soil, lentils. Lentils, masoor dal. And other pulses, cereals like wheat can grow in loamy soil. And in sandy soil, cotton, palm, date, etc. can be grown in sandy soil.